What's going on, guys? It's Hive Power back at it with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins and keys in Subway Surfers. Here we go. Okay. So what you want to do first is go to your Google. It works on Android only on Android. Sorry, iPhone. I mean Apple. So you want to look up Subway Surfers APK mod. Here. Come on, work. Okay, there you go. So it's gonna look like this. Now what you wanna do next, you wanna go down here, download Subway Surfers mod, unlimited coins and keys. Tap there. Now you wanna wait till the countdown. 3, 2, 1, blah blah blah. Once that does, you press download. Now it's just gonna download, as you can see. You just gotta wait until it downloads, and I'll see you guys when it downloads. Alright guys, it just finished downloaded. Now you just go to it. Hopefully it works. Now you just need to wait until it loads. Alright guys, now all you have to do, you can read through the application or whatever, but I'm just gonna go right ahead and install the app. You just gotta wait for that to happen. What's the phone at? Huh? Is it really? Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, this might take quite a while, so well, not very that long, but just gotta wait and wait. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like down below and comment what game I should play next. This mod also works for Hungry Sharks. Hungry Sharks and like pretty much any game that has coins and gems. There you go, it's done. Now you press open. Now we just gotta wait until it loads. Come on. I'll get back to you guys when it loads. Or no, when actually, if you want, you guys can fast forward it, the video, if you want to, if you don't have the patience to wait. Chill, big fella. My cat's going crazy over there. Ooh, that's a bit loud. I will turn that down for you guys. Alright, now you can go ahead and do this right here. I'm just gonna do that. I accept. And then you have to do the tutorial if you want to get the free coins. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. Just do all this stuff. After, comment down below what is your favorite game. I would like to know. Maybe I'll play that game next, you know? Make sure you do double tap for the hoverboard. As long as you do the tutorial right and do everything it says, then you will get your unlimited gems. Now I'm just gonna die on purpose so we can... Bummer. Now look up here, guys. See how much... Alright, let me go somewhere where you'll probably see it better. See that, guys? And it will come with a bunch of skins. Every skin that was ever created in Subway Surfers history. Right, look at this, see? El Diego Lee, all these skins, plus unlimited coins and keys. No scams, I promise. Same with boards. Hopefully this works. If it loads. Look at that. You get all these boards. Personally, my favorite board would probably be this one, maybe, or I don't really have a favorite one. Well, yeah, guys, that's gonna do for today's video. Please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video. And see you next time.